Hey shoppers, it is winter time and we have a bird bath warmer. It does come with an instruction manual on how to operate it, set it up, but it has a nice long cord, plugs right in there, and it sits at the bottom of your bird bath. So there's water here, so it's totally waterproof. It could be completely submerged in water and your birds can come and bathe in warm water when the heater is on. Very easy to set it up. You just plug it in, fill up your bird bath with water, plop it in there, and you are good to go. Show me the